This was the very next trade that I took after the first one that I posted today. I shorted this VWAP area. So I did get a chance, when I got out of that one, waited for it to bounce up here, and I got another chance to short it. I'm watching this overnight low to make sure we get through this area. If they start buying it there, I'd want to close this trade because that's a good sign that they want to take it higher. Maybe go through the open. The open is the dashed orange line there at 44.13. So I'm just kind of waiting to see if we can get through this overnight low. Right there, we're at it. I'm watching this close. You can see we got right through it. Now I'm looking at this halfback area and then the POC. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Starting to protect some of the profit. The highlighted area there is the beginning of the volume area from yesterday. So now that we're getting down here, I'm thinking of taking one of these contracts off. Closing my brackets there. Make the adjustment. Right there, I bought one of the contracts. Now I need to adjust my stops and my targets. So the next thing I'm looking at is this POC, and then this 4400 is my target. Now that the C period opens, I don't really want to see that come up into this area. I'm measuring to make sure my stop is where it needs to be. I'm looking at that 4400 areas. You can see how that profile is kind of built out. And then the one below the 4400, you can see how it just kind of fades out and there isn't a lot to it. That distinct cutout is what's got me worried about the 4400. I don't have it measured here, but that would be about 40 ticks to that 4400. I start moving my stop closer because I feel like it's going to snap back on me and start rotating to the upper part of that node. You can see how much it's struggling here. That first contract was about 23, 24 ticks. Now we're up to 30 on this one. I'm just showing you there on the volume profile how it's how ballooned out it is. You want to keep in mind what part of that profile you're in. When you're shorting, you want to stay at the top of that profile. And when you're buying a long position, you want to be in the bottom. So it's the opposite of getting in and getting out. To get out, you'd want to be towards the bottom. If you're trying to get to a target, which is what I'm trying to do here. Right in here, I start just thinking about taking it. Move the stop down to protect even more. It gets close like this. I like squeezing these, bringing the stop down and squeezing it between my limit and my stop. There, I just take that at 401.50. It does end up going through, but that's fine. It was close enough. I think I measure it here, and that first one was about 23 ticks. And that last one, I believe it was 35 ticks. But if you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.